Good morning and welcome back to my channel. We've got another Chatty Get Ready with me for the month of October where I just sit and talk about whatever's on my mind. I'm going to start in with the eyes and I'm going to go in with the Colourpop Making Mauves palette. I'm going to start with R&R and pop that in my crease here. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Tongue Tied and put that in my outer crease. Just wanting to do an everyday look. I can't believe the month of October is already done. It has been a huge month for us. If you missed my announcement, we did move. We bought a house. It's been a wild journey. We bought the house back in August, but we did need to do some renovating first. So we got that in. It took a good couple of months and now we're in. We moved the second weekend of this month, so it's been good. I'm finally able to settle my nesting urges. I'm going to go in with the shade Bi-Coastal on my finger and just place that all over the lid. But it's been nice to be able to just get in and just settle all of these nesting urges that I swear I've been having like this whole pregnancy. I've been having this whole, like, it's so nice to just do this, and I've had this burst of energy since I got in to the house, and I've just been able to do things, get things done, and you know, we still have a lot we need to do in terms of putting it together, but it's just never ending. So lots of projects, lots of things planned, but it's all coming together. It's all looking really, really well, and I'm loving it. I'm so excited. It's been such a good change for us to just be someplace that we've got space, and you know, we've got space to run around. We've got a yard that we can all go and hang out in, and we're homeowners now. We're no longer renting. I'm gonna just keep placing that blend there and blending. I'm debating whether or not I want to go a little bit deeper in the crease, but this is just an everyday look, so I'm just gonna do that. But it's been so nice just to have all that space, and we've been so blessed. And again, it's been a wild ride. So that's been the biggest change of the month of October. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna make a little bit of a concoction here with a couple of primers, and we're just gonna go all glowy. I'm feeling very glow-esque today with the face, so I'm gonna take a lid from a baby bowl set that doesn't have a bowl to go with it. I'm going to start, this is just going to be my mixing palette. I'm going to go in with my Colourpop Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer. I'm going to go in with one pump here on the lid. By the way, any spare lids you may have will make great mixing palettes. I'm going to go in with my Rare Beauty, I believe this is the Illuminating Primer. I'm going to do about half a pump of that. And then I'm going to go in with a BoxyCharm item, the Glow Recipe Dewdrops. And I'm probably going to go in with about half a pump of that. And then I'm just going to take this is just a concealer brush and mix it all together. I'm probably totally going to regret this. As much as I love glow, it's probably going to get to be intense, but oh well. I love a good glow to my skin these days. It looks so refreshing, especially because winter time is here and my skin is getting more dry. Anytime we have climate change, it's dry. And then I've got a lot of acne, which I'm trying to figure out how to fight. But honestly, I think that's just pregnancy acne. I literally don't have any acne anywhere else besides like my main chin area. So I'm assuming it's all gonna go away after pregnancy. Speaking of pregnancy, it's almost baby month. I can't believe it. I'm gonna take my Badescu facial spray my beauty blender, and then just blend this all in together. But it is almost baby month. I cannot believe that it's insane to me that we're here now. I'm like in shock. This video is going up on the last Friday of the month, so starting November 1st we are due. I don't know how videos are gonna go. I've got some things I want to do. I'm thinking I want to do my hospital bag what's in my hospital bag video, which I still don't have put together yet, so that's why it wasn't going to go up yet. It was on the schedule to go up this week, but then I just haven't packed it yet because I've been busy unpacking. So we've got that going on. I've got a collaboration video that should be coming up, so stay tuned for that. And I'm looking forward to what's ahead. Trying to think, what other videos do I want to do before the baby comes? Oh, I did a video in my last pregnancy where I tried on all of my pre-pregnancy clothes, and honestly, it is my highest viewed video on my channel. I did not think it was going to do that well, but it was requested for the second time, so I do for the second time. I don't know why I didn't, that was weird, but whatever. So it was requested again, so I am going to try and do that. I want to wait till like right at the end of my pregnancy just to do it. I'll pull out some of my staple pre-pregnancy clothes and try them on for you guys, so that should be going up, I want to say, in the next 2 to 3 weeks or so ish, something like that. I'm really not sure. I'm going to take my Rare Beauty concealer, so that's exciting. Other than that, as far as like videos go, by my next monthly Try to Get Ready With Me baby will be here, so I may or may not get to that this month. I may or may not get to my BoxyCharm unboxing. Again, that just kind of depends. We are on baby watch starting on November 1st. So from there, it's just going to be waiting. But I do plan on getting at least those few videos done. Again, may or may not do the BoxyCharm unboxing or the Try to Get Ready With Me. Just kind of depends on where we're at in the moment. And then what else happened this month? My best friend's pregnant. She had a baby shower. We got to take a couple of cute bump pictures together, so that was fun. A lot of my friends who are pregnant with me are getting ready to have their babies, so we're all kind of going to be doing this around the same time frame, which will be fun. I'm just going to go ahead and take that shade Tongue Tied and just pop that on my lower lash line real quick. So yeah, everyone who's kind of, there was like a pregnancy wave around like Easter time where a lot of us found out we were pregnant around the same time. A lot of people I know, a lot of friends of mine. So that was exciting, and now we're all getting ready to have our babies. A couple of them aren't due till the beginning of next year, but then a couple of them are due within like 2 to 3 weeks of me, which will be exciting. I'm going to go ahead and take the Urban Decay 24/7 eye pencil in the shade Love Drug. I just want to add a little bit of depth there, at least to the lower lash line. So that's exciting. Yeah, it's been a while since I've seen her. She had moved away, so that was the first time I got to see her in a long time, and so it was fun just getting to catch up a little bit. What else happened? Oh, I got a surprise baby shower. My family threw me and Marty a surprise baby shower over this last weekend, so that was exciting. Definitely felt the love from friends and family, and it was super cute, super fun. Definitely blessed to have those people in my life. I cannot express how much love and affection from them, and it's been so I feel the love. I'm going to go in with my Petite and Pretty mascara. So just to be able to feel that love and just kind of getting to have them in our lives and getting to be a part of babies' lives and be a part of our kids' lives, and just all the help and love. It's all around us. Alright, mascara is on. Aside from my BoxyCharm this month, I only bought one item, and that was the Anastasia Cream Bronzer in the shade Sunkissed. And I'm honestly loving this. Last month was a huge haul because I participated in the oldest 21 Days of Beauty. So this month here, I didn't buy anything, and I actually used points on this, so I didn't actually purchase it myself. I had a bunch of points that I used. Speaking of older points, I had enough points to purchase the Dyson, and I didn't have to spend anything on it. I was so excited. I've had the points saved up for about a year now, so occasionally I would use points to get like little things here and there when I had more than enough to buy it and still get the Dyson. But I picked it up. I've been meaning to do a video on it and how I got it and kind of explaining what I did to get it. I just haven't done it yet, so if you guys would like to see that video, let me know, and maybe a tutorial. I'm still learning how to use it, but I'm loving it. I'm able to like do my hair super quickly now, so I'm still learning how to use it. And honestly, the weather right now, my hair is kind of not cooperating with me lately. It's like no matter what I do, it's like kind of wanting to frizz up and curl or straighten, and it's just kind of not wanting to cooperate right now. I think between the weather changing and just the hormones, my hair is like not listening to me. But that's okay. I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, I got the Dyson, so if you guys would like to see that video, let me know. I'm gonna go into the Physicians Formula multicolored blush in the shade Blushing Peach. So yeah, that's exciting. Other than that, we've got Halloween coming up. This video should be up before Halloween. I mentioned in a shorts video what I hate about Halloween. Honestly, it's not my favorite. I prefer to just to do fall themed things. And I haven't done a lot of fall themed stuff this year. We got caught up between moving and baby prep. We normally try to do like a pumpkin patch and pumpkin carving and things like that. We just haven't really done it. Speaking of Halloween, I've been going back and forth as to like what I want to do for like a Halloween costume, considering that this is the last time I'll get to dress the bump. But as I was unpacking, I found the maternity shirt I made, or actually I think my sister made it for me back when I was pregnant with my oldest, and it has a giant pumpkin on it, and I believe I was at 28 weeks pregnant, so I'm a little farther along this time, but it has a giant pumpkin on it, and I'm going to wear it. And then my husband has a shirt that says, "I'm working on my pumpkin bod." And the girls, I know they have costumes from last year, saying, you know, little pumpkin costumes, so I might go ahead and do that. I was thinking about doing like candy theme and making something else, but then just time got away from me and I just never did it. So I think that's what we're going to do for Halloween, just kind of do some family pictures and stuff like that. We'll go trick-or-treating. I'm going to take my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, or Butter Highlight. This is just the pink one. But I think that's what we're going to do this year. Nothing crazy, nothing super exciting. Again, Halloween's not my favorite, but I mean, I get to use the kids to get free candy, so why not? But that's kind of the plan this year. And just, let's see, I think my lipstick, I was trying to find my lipstick. It's in my purse right now. Oh well. I've got another lipstick in my collection here. I'm just going to use that instead. I'm going to wipe off my lip scrub real quick. And I'm going to go with my Maybelline lipstick in the shade Blushing Beige. I think that'll be pretty with this look. Yep, I think it'll work. It's a little pale, but I can make it work. I'm going to go ahead and line the lips real quick using the same eyeliner, just to kind of give the look a little bit of dimension here. But let's see. It's a little bit harder to work with eyeliner for lip liners, but we can make it work. Let me see here. Just want to kind of blend that in. Alright, I'm going to take an angled brush. Let's see if I can find my little lipstick brush here. I have my little angled brush and just kind of blend that into the lipstick a little bit. There we go. Alright. I don't know. I'll probably end up wiping this off. But yeah, that's just kind of Halloween this year, doing some trick-or-treating, some dress up. I mostly just want to get some cute pictures. And honestly, if it weren't for the fact that I'm pregnant for the last time, I probably wouldn't be trying as hard this Halloween. I'd probably just like let the girls pick something in their closets and just go for it. But I'm not going to miss an opportunity to dress the bump for the last time. It makes me sad, you know. We say that this is our last pregnancy. We know we're open to the well, I'm open to the possibility. We're open to the possibility of one more in time, but at this point, this is probably it. We both feel like we're done. We both feel like it's done. However, I'm so hesitant to want to do anything permanent just because I don't know where we're going to be at in a couple of years. But at this point, this is our last pregnancy, and I feel like I'm at peace with it. I'm not like upset that this is it. I'm not, you know, I am trying to make sure I wrap my head around it and just try to enjoy it. But I don't feel like any more kids is really, I think we're done now. I think our family's complete. It feels like we will be complete, but that's a whole video I want to get into at another time. I keep saying last pregnancy, like this is for sure our last pregnancy, and honestly it probably is, but I don't feel like I'm ready to fully commit to calling it quits. I just feel like I want to plan on this being the last one, and if a couple years goes by and we feel like maybe we want to try again, we want to have another one, then we will. But I'm preparing because this is my last month of what most likely is my last pregnancy, and I'm not emotional about it. I'm just kind of accepting it and just making sure that whatever I want to do in a pregnancy, I'm trying to do like in this last month. Like, what kind of pictures do I want with the bump? What kind of activities do I want to do where I have a bump? Or family outings or things like that. Like, what do I want to do while I'm pregnant and I can have those pictures and those memories? I'm really trying to be conscious of that. But anyway, to end this video, I'm going to go in with my Morphe setting spray. I'm going to go in with my Morphe setting spray real quick before my battery dies. And with that, I would love it if you would subscribe to my video. Thank you for watching. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and I will see you in the next one. God bless, and bye guys.